go to this, disable this legend, automatically it will disappear. And in this detailed label view, what we will do in the sense, we can make available of category with percentage, so that easily we can identify this is a detached information. And once we can click, we can able to see the detached information alone. So something like that, we can analyze it and we can take. And finally, one more visual I will take. Map. I will take map now. Bubble map. In this, I will take postal code because it will give the accurate information where the cities or else, I mean, location or else locality, street information. So I'm just taking the postcode because in my data set, I have the postcode information. Click on this and use this size based on this price. So automatically we will get the information related to this postcode. So here the data set is related to UK, right? So it is directly navigating to the UK. And if you want, make it as a heat map to get more insights, and based on which areas it is having more occupation and all, just click on this heat map so that we can easily analyze the area location based on the uh, more dense area and all, we can able to identify. I just enable this heat map so that automatically instead of bubble we are going to get it as an density, where the most areas has been having most prices, and others where the occupation is more. This information we can able to navigate by using heat map. So in this way we can generate the reports. Is that clear? And once the report has been completed, what we will do, we'll just publish the report into the services. It is still taking some time because it's still analyzing. Yes. Before that, we have to save this report with proper name. I'm just giving the name as an price paid, price, just price UK, houses, UK. And we will give this report name as an, 1 second. We will give the report name as prices paid, like that, prices paid in price paid houses in UK. Okay. The report name is price paid houses in UK. Capital letters, because it will give some prices. Report UK, because that is an UK related data set. So what I will do in the sense, this is in UK, and I will just increase this font. And make this background as a white, and here this background color as a dark blue, and we'll give some radius also for this border. Just enable this radius with 10. So in this way we can build the report. I'm just going to save this, and after that, see here we can derive the dates like this. If you can click on this particular year, we can navigate 2018 sales, and we can get the values accordingly. 19 sales and its value. See here, 19 sales, we have some values. So these each and every other visual is interacting with each other. 19 sales, right? So like that we can derive it. And finally, once the report has been finished, what we will do, we'll just save it and publish the report to the end user, and publish the report to the Power BI services and share the report with the end users. I'm just saving it. Automatically by default, we have my workspace. I'm just publishing there, my workspace.